everyone, it's Jennifer, and I want to show you a couple of things that I travel with. They're for safety. So the first one I have is this one, and it says type 1 diabetic, insulin dependent. It goes around your seatbelt. It velcros around the seatbelt, and this one has a piece of paper in the back that you fill out and put all your information in. I actually have another paper that goes in here. I just put the original one in there so you could see. But the type of information you put in here, I have one that's printed out on my computer that goes on there. But the type of information you would put would be like your emergency information and stuff, whatever you need to list in case you were in a car accident. Weird that I have that I still have this. Weird. I just threw it in my box with all my diabetes stuff, but it's really very simple. They come with more than just the diabetes patch. You can get them with just about any medical disorder on them. This one is custom made, and it is large, and I'm in the passenger side, so it goes across like this. And yes, it has my name on it. It is very large. But in order for you to read the whole thing, it says Jennifer, and I'm blind, and I'm a diabetic. They come in many different colors. I just happen to choose pink. But this way, if I'm in a car accident and I'm unconscious, and first responders come and they find me unconscious, they're going to know my name, they're going to know I'm blind, and they're going to know I'm a diabetic. So they're going to check me. I mean, they always check you, but they're going to know what that insulin pump's for. They're going to know it's an insulin pump, and they're going to know it's for diabetes. They're going to know I'm blind, so they're going to talk to me when I'm conscious again before they touch me, which is very important to someone who's blind. They're going to tell me everything they're doing, and they're going to tell me who they are. Because when you're blind, you don't want to be touched. You need to know everything that's going on. And giving them my name makes a difference. You know, they're able to call me by my name. So this makes a difference. And it can sit up high. It can sit low across your chest, wherever you want it to sit. But these are very useful. I got this on Etsy. All you do is look for Seatbelt Alert, and these are them. They are great for children, especially someone who's autistic. You can put anything you want on them. You can put on them nonverbal. You can get one that says deaf. These are spectacular. I've used them for many years. Not that I've ever been in an accident, but I've used them for many years. I actually have one in our vehicle right now that's more like this, but it's longer, and it says blind underneath, and it has the patch. We have more than one vehicle, so I thought, why not have that? This will Velcro around my bag with my diabetes stuff in it, but this will go in our other vehicle. But it's very helpful for people to know that I'm blind and I'm a diabetic. That way, if something happens, all the information's right there. You know, you never know when something's going to happen. I thought I'd share that with you guys. So, stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.